Look, people wonder why I'm bald. There goes my hair. Look at that.
Come here.
Beautiful, beautiful. That's one of Tim's best flights today. So it's super windy today. That's not going to stop Tim from crashing stuff.
I just live with it.
And the sun comes out and goes. Ron's got his long pants on, look.
Yeah.
We all feel, we're all grateful for that, Ron. We're very grateful for that. And
Okay, Ron, I need you to secure the back of the model.
yeah, safety first, Ron.
Yeah.
Stand on the back of the model.
Secure the back of the model, please, Ron.
Where's the Ramsey gun?
Yeah. Have a bit of wind here today. Have a crosswind on the old runway. It'll be good. Ticking away like a sewing machine. Ron C again with his camera. Nothing gets past Ron. Bumpy up there, eh? Bit bumpy. I'm going to fly my FMS in a minute. In these wonderful conditions. Beautiful. Catapult launch. I think it's an IB Crazy Chimera. Ooh, that was interesting. It didn't seem to work very well at all. Wind's getting up now. Ooh, bounce, bounce, bounce. Landed. Okay, we've got a Maiden going on here. Mike on the left there. It says plane. Ron's going to do the tossing because Ron's a really good tosser. So everyone does what they're best at. Here we go, maiden flight. Ooh, I missed that. I was expecting it to go faster. There you go, it flies. No drama, no excitement. Meanwhile, at the other end of the field, Tim is recovering his plane. Engine stopped again. It's crappy lighting today. Our summer's just crap. This morning it was really cold. A lot of guys, well, Ron's got his long pants on again today. And Ron's a pretty hardy type. It snowed on one of our ski fields a few 100k from here earlier in the week. Snow in the middle of summer, not common. It doesn't usually actually start snowing until the winter arrives, so yeah, the weather's all screwed up. Which is no good if you want to fly models. We're expecting really strong winds today, and tomorrow it's supposed to rain and blow about 50 kilometres an hour. Oh, there we go. It did an encore landing. It's lucky there's quite a lull in the wind at the moment, eh?
Yeah. Paparazzi watching you, Jim.
Look at that, eh? Woohoo!
Off again. They handle crosswood bloody well, eh?
Yeah, well, there's not much side area to them, is there?
Again.
Yeah, what are you doing, Tim?
Trying to hold the transmitter on.
Yeah. No, but she's, look, CCCP. Isn't that on helicopters? Oh, that's CCPM. There goes that tricopter again. Wonder how long the battery lasts in that thing. Is that crashing? Oh no.
Such a cool model. Slow rain. Stick the frames. Blow into cars.
Oh, I need to get a manual focus, folks. It's beeping, mate. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Focus. It's down. Oh, run low on fuel, mate.
I'm running out of gas,
Yeah.
eh? Time to do a spectacular landing.
On the runway.
As opposed to in the runway? Wait, he'll flick the switch. He's flicked the switch, Ron.
Yeah, he's flipped the switch.
Lead off a bit of speed.
Bleed off speed by going. Oh, look, not
Landed!
No, it's not.
People wonder why I'm bald. There goes my hair. Look at that.
Come here.
Look at him go. Doing. Yep.
See how he handles the crosswind.
He's using the wide runway.
Yeah.
There he goes. Dun, 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 dun. We have a lot of stoats too, eh, Ron?
Yeah.
A few stoats. Well, there he goes. He's off again.
Yeah. Oh, he's in the window.
Oh, yeah, let's just take off run. There we go. Pull back, pull back, pull back. No, it didn't work. He's buggered. Oh, he's still going. Look at him. Woohoo. Hey, how many rabbit strikes were reported on aircraft last year? Probably more than drone strikes, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, he's still going.
They run here.
Wow.